Hi guys, for my 321 final project, I created an ICSpace reservation website. I used two tables, one named Cal entry and the other called Cal. Cal holds the approved entries and Cal entry is just the entries that are submitted. Those are including pending and approved. So now when I run it, you'll see what I mean. So this is the home page. The current reservations is going to display a Google Calendar of the events that are already approved for the room. And then this is the reservation page. This will show the pending reservations. And if you want to delete a pending reservation, you can delete it here. Okay, so if I wanted to reserve, I can just fill this out using the defaults real quick. So it then tells me that my event is under consideration, which means that it's going to show up in my pending reservation. But let's say I wanted to reserve and I didn't know anything about my event except for the name. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to schedule that event. Or even if I just leave the form empty, I'm not going to be able to schedule the event. So you have to know all the information in order to schedule the event. But let's say I know all the information and I want to add another event. So ICS321 study session. So now my event is under consideration. And let's say I also want to add another event for 311. So my event is under consideration. Now these events that I just created are going to show up here in my pending reservations. And let's just say that, you know what, I don't really have time for a club board meeting, so let's just go ahead and delete it. So I need to know the information. And then my event is deleted if I know all the information. However, if I don't know all the information and I just fill it out, then my event's not going to be deleted. And even if I don't fill out anything, then my event is not going to be deleted. But let's just say, for the sake of showing you what other code I wrote, let's delete some other things. So my event's deleted, it should no longer show up here. And then the last one that I want to show you is what happens if I delete everything. So if I delete my 311 study session, then when I go to pending reservations, it's going to say there are no pending reservations. And not only that, but if I try to delete something now, my delete reservations is going to tell me that there are no pending events to delete. So that's my website. Thanks.